Hey, it's Nianevsky, and today I want to show you how to play this song, His Glory Appears by Hillsong. It is such a beautiful song, and what happens a lot of times is when we play songs, we stick to just playing chords, and that can sound a little choppy. So my goal in this video is to really show you how to make the song come alive, but also just guide you through if you don't know how to play piano yet. So the very first chord we have here is D, and actually the entire song is in the key of D. And the key of D has two black notes. It's these ones. So whatever you do, do not press any of the wrong black keys. These are the ones that you want to press if you do press them. All right. So that's the very first chord, and then you have an A, and then you have a G, and back to D. So that's basically the chords for the introduction and the verse. So the introduction kind of looks like this. You gave me hope. And you go straight into the verse. Ooh, this verse is a little high for me to sing, but I'll try my best. All right, so again, the introduction looks like this. So that's only if you want to copy the exact introduction. You can always just press the D chord and just start from there. You gave me hope. So you don't always have to do like the whole introduction perfectly, but if you want to, you certainly can. All right, so one thing I'm going to show you is with your left hand, I'm going to want you to create this sort of like a pattern, arpeggio, flowy style that I like to call it. It really makes any song just come alive. Instead of just pressing on the notes with one finger, you can really add beauty just by playing this flowy style. All right, so for the verse, we have those same chords going on, and I'm just gonna go ahead and try my best to sing through it to show you how I would play it. So starting from the introduction. Into the chorus. All right, so for the verse, I hope everything made sense, but basically what I'm doing is I'm just pressing on the chord with my right hand, while with my left I'm doing the flowy style. Give me hope, you made me whole. Just pressing on those chords, and then G at the cross. So you might notice that sometimes I carry that flowy style into the right hand, like this. I kind of continue that flowy style that my left hand started, and I finish it off with my right hand. And then A, where you died for me. Back to D. Now going into the chorus, the chords are G, D, and then you have an A from the sun, B minor, again G, D again, and then an A. I just did an A suspended 4. Got a G G again, to the skies, again a D, and now here you have a E minor. Hear the angels cry, and a B minor, and then an A and B minor. Holy is the Lord. By the way, if you're still learning chords and you need a little help, I'm giving away a free chord chart that shows you all the piano chords, which is super helpful when you're trying to learn songs. All right, so those are the chords for the chorus, and I'm gonna kind of go through the chorus with you, and then I'm gonna get to the instrumentals. So, died for me in His glory appears like the light from the sun. Age to age He shines. Oh, look to the skies, hear the angels cry, singing, holy is the Lord. And then you go into the instrumental. So you guys, that's the chorus. You know, it's kind of high as far as the voice goes, but the chords are pretty self-explanatory. You're just hitting on those chords, playing that flowy style with your left hand. Also, if you need help with this flowy style and you need your brain to get used to moving your fingers like that and together, I do have a lesson on it. I will link it in the description box. All right, so going into the instrumental, the chords for the instrumental are D, E minor, B minor, and then a G. Now, again, this is not for the faint of heart. This is a very hard instrumental, in my opinion. I had to really really try. Okay, I had to really try. But basically, what you're playing with your right hand is this. That's the first part. And then you're playing this, C sharp, B, E. And then you're playing D, C sharp, B, and then F sharp, B. All right, I'm sure I lost you there. Okay, so again, first part, second part, third part. Again. That's kind of like the third and fourth part. It's kind of the hard part. And then you go to that first part again. And then second part. And then again this hard part. That's kind of how you ended off in that last part. And then you start at the verse again. All right, so I'm going to show you how that looks like with both hands. So get ready. I'm already stuck. Okay. Anyway, if you can piece those all together smoothly, that would be great. It is difficult and you will need to practice a bit, but it's doable. So again, I'm going to go from the chorus, instrumental into the verse. So, holy is the Lord. So that was Not the best, all right, but I didn't really practice this too much. So again, I'm gonna do that again. You know what? For the sake of this instrumental, you could just press one key with your left hand because there's enough flowy stuff going on over here with the right hand, so it makes it kind of easier. Slowing down a little bit. You gave me hope, you made me whole at the cross. So that is basically the song. You just repeat the verse and the chorus, but it's such a beautiful song. Like, I hope I explained everything well. If you still need help, go ahead and comment. Let me know what you're singing this song for, why you're learning it, and I'd be so happy to hear from you. And if you ever need help with your worship ministry, or if you need help with piano, feel free to go to worshippianotutorials.com. I greet you there with a little gift. I just love serving this wonderful community of worshipers. All right, I'll see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye.